Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw a 3D mechanical component using AutoCAD. Firstly, go to Coordinates tab, select left side view as a working drawing. Draw these circles with specific radius, like 20, 30, 12.5, and 60. Move 12.5 radius circle and 30 radius circle star right back 60 units. Move back 60 radius circle 90 units. Draw this type of shape using line tool. Make sure the top view is selected in coordinates. Extrude first, remain 2 circles with extrude value 60. Draw side of the object with help of reference lines and circles. Trim the extra parts of the circle and lines. Join and extrude it with extrude value is 30 units. After that, mirror it. Union these mirrors object. Slice upside of the circle and remove the extra part. Make sure the left side view is selected in coordinates before slicing. Extrude the remaining object. Revolve the object 360 degree that we draw it before. Draw the side holes using circle command, and radius of these holes is 5.2 units. Extrude these circle and make 4 copies. Subtract it from the revolved object. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.